Hello! In this video, we will show you how to prepare an aromatic grande with your Nescafé Dolce Gusto Piccolo XS. Adjust the drip tray to the low position. Place your cup. On this capsule, 7 bars means that preparation time is about 50 seconds. Lift the locking handle. Place the grande capsule in the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Move the lever to the hot position. Count 50 seconds or adjust to your preferred cup size. Move the lever back to the stop position. Once the coffee flow has stopped, the indicator light blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle until the indicator light turns green. Keep in mind the coffee level on your cup as a guide for future preparations. Remove the capsule and dispose of it into a bin. Reinsert the capsule holder. And that's it! Enjoy your generous and round grande. With Nescafé Dolce Gusto, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious coffees, teas, and hot chocolates.